Hey, beautiful folks. Before we get into the details of IT, let's take a few moments and understand the true meaning and real meaning of IT. We all know IT stands for information technology, but what does it really mean? It's a transfer of information from one person to another, from one location to another, through the means of technology. Now, to understand it better, let's ask a few questions. Some common questions are, what is that information that we're transferring? That information consists of files, letters, applications, folders, or PDF documents that you have. Your images, the pictures you probably took when you were vacationing, you want to share it with your friends. Same thing with videos. You made some videos or certain videos that you see, you're transferring that. Music, instant messages, you use Facebook or WhatsApp or any kind of instant messages to share it with other people. Emails, so if you have personal email or corporate email account, you send emails to your boss or your coworkers, so you are sharing that information. Now, where are you sharing it to or with whom? As I said before, from person to person, from company to company, from location to location, which means from one city to another city, from one country to another country. You share all that information through technology. When are you sharing? 24/7, 7 days a week, and 365 days a year. Yes, there is no business hour like a post office. You have to go in and you have to wait for the post office to open up so you could transfer your information. This is all happening in real time and at all times. Now, why are we sharing that information? That's a very good question. The reason we share that information, so you could have that information and you could make a decision. You could solve a problem. You could do some planning around it. And that could save you some time and make improvement to your system. And finally, you could save some money. So every company, every person, when they have some numbers, some information, they crunch, they massage those numbers, and so they could make a right decision based on the historical facts. Everything is about information. Now, we all know all these four things. Now, how are we sharing that information? That's where it comes to technology. We need IT components to make that what, where, when, and why happen. And those IT components that you need to transfer information, those are like computers, operating systems, applications, and network security, database storage. You need all of these IT components and many more, by the way, to transfer information from one person to another. So anyway, I hope now you understand completely that the real meaning of information technology. I'll see you in the next lecture.